Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Now we will do the book exercise of lesson 7, The Mouse. Let's start with the self-evaluation first. After reading the chapter, I know these points. Here is the checklist. Disagree, not sure, and agree. First, I know that a mouse is a pointing device. Yes, it is true. A mouse is a pointing device. I know that a mouse has 2 buttons and a wheel. Yes, a mouse has 2 buttons and a wheel. Agree. Next, I know that pressing the button of a mouse is called clicking. Yes, pressing the button of mouse is called clicking. Next, I know that a small arrow on monitor that moves when a mouse is moved is called mouse pointer. Agree. This is a correct statement. Now let's start with the exercise. A part, tick the correct answer. You have to put a tick mark on the correct answer. First, a mouse is a dash device. Holding device? No. Pointing device? Yes. Typing device? No. So put a tick here. A mouse is a P-O-I-N-T-I-N-G, pointing. A mouse is a pointing device. Second, a dash is used for drawing and painting on computer. A part mouse, B part keyboard, C part CPU. So what we use for drawing and painting? We use mouse. So tick here and the answer is mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Third, the small arrow that moves on the screen is called. Small arrow on the screen is called shape? No. Picture? No. Pointer? Yes, it is called pointer. So we write here pointer. P-O-I-N-T-E-R. Pointer. So that's all about the first part. We will do the next part in the next video.